Hey, welcome to Cody the Car Guy. So we've got a 2004 Honda Civic here, and the blower motor, which has been replaced, it's brand new, but it still doesn't work. And well, there's your resistor right there, and we're going to go ahead and remove it and do a simple and easy repair and get this bad boy up and going. Now, as you see, I've already removed the screws. So you have a screw here, it's Phillips head, and you have a screw right there, Phillips head, and then just unplug your plug right here. Once you get it out, that is what it looks like right here. So now you know the location and what to look for, and like I said, once you unplug it, that is it right there. So let's get it to the workbench and get this little repair done and get it back up in the Honda. But that is where your resistor, blower resistor is, and it's right beside the blower. Now once you get it inside, there's these little corner pieces right here. All you're going to do is literally take a pick. You can take a pair of tweezers, and just like that, you hear that little clip. Alright, that side's up. Come to this side right here. Pop. Pop. There is your cover off. This is it right here. Alright, when you come to this side right here, you see that right there? You have a resistor down below. I'm going to check it real quick. If it says 0, you know we got a bad one. And it's not showing any resistance at all. Nothing. Alright. So, we know what the problem is. All we're going to do is put a 1 ohm resistor in there. Have one right here. As you see, it was back in the day when Radio Shack was actually around. I have a whole bunch of resistors from different places. So all we're going to do, trim this guy up. We're literally going to put it right here. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. Pretty simple and easy to do. Let me get my solder gun up and going, and we'll get this thing done. Alright, pretty much at this point, all I'm going to do is trim this to where I need it. You don't have to make little loops like I'm doing. Just doing that. Alright, pretty much like that. All we're going to do is put some solder on it and be up and going. Alright, I like to actually get a little bit of solder on my bad boy right here. Alright, it's soldered on there. So, alright, now we have the 1 ohm resistor on here. Let's go ahead and put it back up in the car. Simply on this guy right here, all you're going to do is literally clip it back into place. It will literally snap into place. Boom, just like that. Alright, got 2 Phillips head screws. Put it back in the car, and let's go ahead and turn on the fan. Now, as you see, I have the resistor block plugged in. So let's go ahead and turn the key on, and let's see if we hear the fan kick on. Oh yeah, there you go. Doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Fan's off. So now at that point, you know it's working. We'll go ahead and unplug it, put it back in. So let me get the 2 screws in there, and you know, $1 fix, and you're up and going. Alright, pretty much it is almost done. I used a stubby on the left side, but the right side I didn't really feel like taking anything extra off, so I just used one of these right here. You can pick these little angle Phillips heads up pretty cheap. Alright, use your angle Phillips head right here, and boom, done. Plug in your plug. Once you clip in like that, you're good to go. That is repairing your resistor, and also shot the video. Change out your fan right there. Is so simple and easy to do. Literally all you're gonna do is unplug right here, your plug. You have 3 screws. You have 3 screws. You got one right here, one right there, and one right there. Once those 3 are dropped out, your fan literally falls right out, and put it back in the exact same way. So if you got to change out your fan blower motor, simple and easy to do. If you have to fix your resistor block, very simple and easy to do. Measure it. If you're getting 0 on that resistor right there that I showed you, replace it with a 1 ohm and you're good to go. Anyways, hope that helps you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.